Now, let's say you don't want to work with thionyl chloride because you don't want to form a chloride in terms of the halogen when you replace the alcohol. We have a second option here, and this is phosphorus tribromide, or PBr3. So, PBr3 is a nice compound if we want to create a terminal halide in place of a terminal alcohol or an alcohol and a primary carbon. Now, we're always going to write this as 3 equivalents. So PBr3 needs 3 equivalents of the alcohol for this to work. So we add 3 times the amount of alcohol that we do PBr3, and what we end up getting is substitution of our terminal alcohol with the bromides. Now, there are different reasons for working with the different halogens. You need to be judicious in terms of what you're working with. But again, the power of this over something like HCl or HBr is that you can work with terminal alcohols without fear of rearrangement. So we're not going to go through a carbocation intermediate. Replace our alcohol with our Br3, and then whatever you want to do with it, a halogen, you can go from there.